If your Gimp transform tool is giving you an error, or the scale, rotate, or unify transform tool just is not working the way it should, do not worry, because this is usually a simple setting issue and not a broken program. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons Gimp transform tools fail and the exact fixes you can use to get everything working again fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Gimp tips and easy software fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing to check is the Transform Target Mode in your Tool Options panel. This is the number one reason the Transform tool looks broken. If you look at the top of the Tool Options area, you will see a setting labeled Transform with several small icons next to it. If you accidentally selected the Selection Mode or the Path Mode, Gimp is not going to transform your image layer. Instead, it will try to transform a selection border or a path, which can make it seem like nothing is happening at all. To fix this, click the first icon, which is the layer icon. That sets the transform tool back to layer mode, and in most cases, that alone will solve the problem immediately. After switching it back, try using the transform tool again and see if it behaves normally. If the tool still is not working, the next thing to check is whether your active layer is locked. This is another very common reason transform tools fail in Gimp. Go over to the Layers dialog on the right side of the screen and look for the lock options near the top of your layer list. You want to make sure lock pixels is turned off and lock position and size is also turned off. If either of those locks is enabled, Gimp may block you from transforming the layer the way you expect. Once both locks are disabled, go back to your canvas and test the transform again. In many cases, this small change is all it takes to fix the error. Another issue that catches a lot of people is an active selection, sometimes called the invisible box problem. You may have accidentally created a small selection earlier and forgotten about it. When that happens, the transform tool only applies to the selected area instead of the full image or layer, which can make it look like the tool is broken or giving an error. To clear this, go to the top menu and choose Select, then None. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and A at the same time. That will remove any active selection and give you a clean workspace again. After clearing the selection, try the transform tool once more. So if Gimp's transform tool is not working, remember the three main fixes: set transform to layer mode, make sure the layer is not locked, and clear any hidden selections. These three checks solve most transform tool problems in just a few seconds. It is a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Gimp troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.